Rooney. Shaw. Who's going to make this theirs? James Rodriguez. Modric pumps it upfield. It's Benzema! Goal! We have liftoff at the final. Wonderful timing, wonderful player, the perfect start.
Well, they couldn't have planned that any better, and it's always why big players with big reputations get the big bucks. This is exactly the type of situation when teams need their stars to shine, and this fella looks bright, really bright.
Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.